For the meticulous trailer owner who values both performance and precision, the Trailer Parts Outlet proudly introduces the 12K Trailer Axle Hub. A perfect blend of robustness and ease of use, it promises a smooth journey for any trailer type. Right from the get-go, it's essential to understand that this product is exclusively a hub. While some might anticipate it coming with a drum, that piece is sold separately. This design choice ensures you have the flexibility to tailor your trailer components to specific needs. The hub's defining feature is its 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern. Not only is this a universal fit that ensures compatibility across a range of tire and wheel assemblies, but it also simplifies your hunt for compatible parts. With the inner 286/22 and outer 39/20 races already pressed in, the hub practically calls out to be installed. Its design ensures a seamless fit with a 39/84 and 286/82 bearing. While these bearings are sold separately, they embody the hub's ethos, simplicity, and compatibility. When discussing its prowess, this hub is a powerhouse boasting a capacity of 6,000 pounds. One cannot overlook the hub's commitment to longevity and low maintenance. Thanks to its oil bath lubrication system, the hub enjoys an extended lifespan with reduced upkeep needs. This lubrication technique not only ensures smooth operation, but also minimizes maintenance downtime. Your installation process is further simplified with the hub's compatibility with the number 120 spindle. In essence, this hub is not just a product, it's a solution, a testament to the Trailer Parts Outlet commitment to quality. It promises not just durability, but peace of mind. Explore our catalog today and redefine your trailer's journey.